Hello guys, today I'm going to show you guys how you can save your data into a file with JSON format. Firstly, we need to define a data class to be converted into a JSON so that we can save it afterward. So go to your script folder, create a new script called player data. Then double click it to edit it. Remove the mono behavior as this will just a plain C# class and also those methods. Now create a new variable called name, string name equal to empty string for now, and also a integer coins equal to 0. Okay, now our data class is ready. Go back to Unity, create a new empty game object, call it data manager, then create a new script for it. Double click and edit it. Remove the start and update method, we are not going to use it. Then we need to define the player data class. After that, we need to create two methods for the save and load function. So public void save and public void load. Now, we will complete the save method first. To save data into file, we need to create another method, private void write to file. So this method will take a string file name and a string JSON. Then we need to define the path where we want to save the file. So create a new string path equal to get file path. Then we will put the file name inside. Now we need to create the get file path method, which will private string get file path. The parameter string will be a string file name. So we will be using the application.persistent data path. This is where you can store data that you want to keep between runs. Now we need to create a file name for the file. Public string file equal to player.txt. Okay, now go back to write to file method. We will be using the file stream equal to new file stream, which will take the path and a file mode. Let's fix the error by using the system.io. So we will be using the file mode.create. Okay, next, using the stream writer equal new stream writer, which will take the file stream and writer.write the JSON string. Now our write to file is complete. Wait, let me check. Oh, okay, the bracket. Okay, now go back to our save method, create a string JSON. We are using the JSON utility to convert our player data class into a JSON string. Then by using the write to file method, we will be writing the JSON string into our player.txt. Okay, now let's continue to the load method. For the load method, we need to create a new method, string read from file. We will take a string file name. Then by reusing the same path and check if the file is assist. If yes, then we will be using the stream reader reader and new stream reader by using a path. Then put the result into a JSON reader.read to end. Return the JSON result. Else, if we are unable to locate the file, then we log file not found, return an empty string. Okay. Now our read from file is ready. Back to our load method. Initialize the data, new player data, then a string JSON. We'll call the read from file method, and we'll update the data object by using the JSON utility .from JSON override. Insert the JSON string and the data class. Now our data manager class is ready. So this is how you save and load a JSON string into a file and from a file. Let's go back to Unity. As you can see, I have prepared a canvas for testing purpose, a player name input, and a coin amount, a coin button, and a save button, and also a UI script to handle all the canvas elements. So let's complete the UI script. Double click and edit it. Now we need to define the data manager object so that we can put data and also get the data from it. So data manager, then as start method, we will be calling the data manager.load method. Then after load, we will set the player name text equal to data manager.data.name. So we will do the same thing for the coins text equal to data manager.data.coins and convert to string. Now, as for the click coin method, we will increase the data.coins by 1. Then also show it on the text. Let's copy this and paste it. For the change name, we'll update the data.player name equal to text. And as for the save, we'll trigger the data manager save method. Go back to Unity and let me check. Add the data manager script. Go back to a data manager because this should be a prior field. Okay, go back to Unity and add the data manager to the UI object. Then we will add the listener for each of the button. Put the UI object inside and look for click save. For the coin, do back the same thing. Move the UI object, look for click coin. And one more is a input field text. On value change UI, make sure it is on the dynamic string section. Look for the change name. Now our canvas is ready. Now we are able to test. So click the play. And as you can see, for the first time, the file is not found because there is no file access for the first time. So let's change the name to player 3 and add the coin, click save. Turn it off and try the play again. Now the data is loaded correctly. Let me add some coin and change the player to player 10 and click save. Let's take a look on the player.txt file. As you can see, the JSON string is here with the name player 10 and coins amount. So where is this file located? For Mac user, the file is located at user, your username, library, application support, and your company followed by your project name and the player.txt. As for Windows, it's almost likely the same at the local log of your app data folder. So this is where your file located if you have an organization. If you don't have, it should be at your project folder. So now go back to our code. Let us add a method to enhance this data manager, which is the on application pause, which will take a parameter boolean pause. Then if pause equal to true, then we will save the data automatically. Take note that this will not work on your editor, as this will only work in the mobile devices. This will help to prevent your player lose their data when they turn off your application or switch to another application. So I think that's it for this tutorial. This is how you save a JSON string into a file and read from it. I hope this tutorial helps you. If it did, please give this tutorial a like and also subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.